Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Attic and whole house fan installers in your area. Emilco Electric. 4.6. 275 verified reviews. Pacific Coast Home Services. 4.4. 198 verified reviews. Wooding Electric. 4.6. 36 verified reviews. Sunlight Concepts, Inc. 4.8. 68 verified reviews. AFS Heating and Cooling. 4.8. MC Electric. 4.5. Dream to Reality Remodeling, Inc. 5.0.
Take our lead.
Attic temperatures can reach upwards of 150 degrees in the summertime, and an attic fan can help evacuate the hot air and humidity that can build up. When in operation, this allows a continuous circulation of cool, fresh air to flow through your attic area.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When you turn on the fan and open the windows in the house, outside air is drawn in through the windows and up through the attic where the hot inside air is vented out of the home. Attic fans work best at night when the outside temperature cools and that air is drawn into your warm home to cool it off.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.